Welcome to Mt-viki. Today let's introduce the 8-port VGA KVM switch. What's inside the package? 1 wire desktop controller, 8 packs VGA KVM cable, 1 sets rack ears and screws, 1 8-port KVM, 1 user manual. How to install it? Firstly, connect the VGA head of the KVM cable to KVM switch, and connect the VGA and USB pigtail to the host PC. Secondly, connect a VGA cable between the monitor and KVM. Finally, plug into the wire desktop controller. This VGA KVM switch has 2 switching modes. 1. Press wire desktop controller. 2. Press buttons. There are some various KVM consoles maybe you will like. Thanks for watching Mt-viki.